Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the realm of AI-generated music as we compare three leading platforms: Splash Pro, Soundraw, and Mubert AI. Links to all platforms are in the description below. Splash Pro, Soundraw, and Mubert AI each offer a unique set of features and functionalities. Splash Pro boasts an extensive library of pre-made tracks, intuitive customization options, and seamless integration with digital audio workstations. Soundraw, on the other hand, focuses on AI-generated music, providing users with endless possibilities for creating original compositions. Mubert AI stands out with its real-time generative music streams, catering to listeners seeking immersive and adaptive audio experiences. In terms of customization and control, Splash Pro offers a user-friendly interface and extensive editing capabilities, allowing users to adjust parameters such as tempo, mood, and instrumentation. Soundraw relies on AI algorithms to generate music based on user input, providing less control but often surprising results. Mubert AI's real-time generative streams adapt to user preferences, offering a seamless listening experience without the need for manual customization. Each platform offers flexible pricing options to accommodate various budgets and usage requirements. Splash Pro and Soundraw follow subscription-based models with affordable monthly and yearly plans, catering to both casual users and professionals. Mubert AI offers subscription plans for access to its generative music streams, providing listeners with a continuous stream of AI-generated music tailored to their preferences. When it comes to quality and originality, all three platforms deliver impressive results. Splash Pro's curated library ensures consistency and professionalism, while Soundraw's AI-generated music offers unique compositions that can spark creativity. Mubert AI's real-time generative streams provide listeners with an ever-evolving soundtrack that adapts to their mood and environment, offering a truly immersive and dynamic listening experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.